ازيكم يا جماعة. I hope everyone is doing well. I am going to be translating a short clip from the cartoon Super Henedy, and I'm very excited for this cartoon part of this translation series, I guess, because I have found some excellent, fantastic, funny, amazing, insert any other synonym of these words, cartoons which I will be also translating, including Fairly Odd Parents. I'm not sure if anyone knows about this cartoon. It's an American cartoon actually, but I remember watching it growing up here in the UK. Without further ado, يلا بينا.
ها صلعت لقيت جدو.
إيه يا صلعت لقيت جدو. So إيه يا صلعت means what's up, what's the news, did anything happen, etc. صلعت is the name of the man. لقيت means did you find, it's in the past tense. جدو is the granddad.
ما سبتش حتة ما دورتش فيها يا عمو.
ما سبتش حتة ما دورتش فيها يا عم. So ما سبتش means I have not left. The verb that is being conjugated here is ساب, to leave, and the meme and the sheen, the meme at the beginning and the sheen at the end mean that it's been negated. So ما سبتش, I haven't left. حتة, a place. ما دورتش فيها, that I didn't look around. يا عم, uncle. يا عم just means, I think the most English equivalent, the modern day equivalent of يا عم is bro. What's up bro? Sorry bro. ما سبتش حتة ما دورتش فيها يا عم. I have not left a place, I have not left a stone unturned.
ولا أنا، ده حتى قهوة المعاشات اللي متعود يقعد عليها رحت لقيت أصحابه كلهم عندهم زهايمر أصلا ومحدش فاكره أساسا.
ولا أنا، حتى قهوة المعاشات اللي متعود يقعد عليها. ولا أنا nor I. حتى even قهوة المعاشات. قهوة is the hangout spot for all of Egypt's males from maybe their late teens plus. It's a coffee shop. قهوة المعاشات, معاشات are pensioners, so it's a coffee shop that's attended by, or that's frequented by older people, pensioners. اللي which متعود يقعد عليها. متعود he used to, يقعد sit عليها, in. So the متعود عليها is that it means basically that it's a spot that he regularly visited, this قهوة المعاشات. So Henedy has checked that place and he's not there. رحت لقيت أصحابه كلهم عندهم زهايمر أصلا. So رحت, I went, لقيت, I found, أصحابه, his friends, كلهم, all of them, عندهم, they have زهايمر, Alzheimer's أصلا. Anyway, so he went to see the friends, but the friends have Alzheimer's, or the friends of the granddad. وما حدش فكره أصلا. وما حدش, no one, فكره, remembers him أصلا. Assassin, anyway. So no one even remembers him because they all have Alzheimer's.
طب وبعدين يا عمو؟ ده لسه كان القصرية قدامنا هنا قاعد قدام الفيسبوك زي عوايده.
وبعدين يا عم, وبعدين, and after, what can we do now? يا عم, bro. So وبعدين, and then what do we do? لسه كان القصرية, لسه means just. So they just, or still, but in this particular context it means just. لسه كان القصرية, لسه, just كان, were القصرية, the family. So the family were just قدامنا, in front of us, هنا, here. So لسه كان القصرية قدامنا هنا. So the family were just here in front of us. قدام, قاعد قدام الفيسبوك زي عوايده. قاعد قدام الفيسبوك زي عوايده. So قاعد, to be sitting down, قدام, in front of الفيسبوك, Facebook, زي عوايده, like he usually does. زي عوايده is like, زي means how, عوايده is like something that's habitual, that's done normally, that he normally does. زي عوايده, like he normally does. So he was sitting in front of Facebook, the granddad.
ما هو أنا عشان كده بقول دايما بلاش الأطفال تعرف سكة الفيسبوك ده بيبوظ أخلاقهم. أهو تلاقيه هاجر مع واحدة من اللي بيتشات معاهم.
أنا عشان كده بقول دايما بلاش الأطفال تعرف سكة الفيسبوك ده بيبوظ أخلاقهم. So وأنا and I عشان كده because of that عشان كده بقول دايما بقول دايما always say بلاش الأطفال. بلاش, this word means free, it means useless, it means it's no good, etc. So بلاش in this particular context he's saying that it's no good, that it's of no use. بلاش الأطفال, الأطفال are the kids, تعرف to know, سكة الفيسبوك like Facebook. So بلاش الأطفال تعرف means that there's no use for the kids knowing, it's actually no good that the kids know about Facebook. ببوظ أخلاقهم. ببوظ means they lose أخلاقهم, their manners. Then he's getting panicked and he says أهو تلاقي هاجر واحدة اللي بيشات معاهم. أهو تلاقي what if he found هاجر to move in with واحدة, a woman, هاجر واحدة to move in with a woman اللي which بيchat, that he chats معاهم, with them. So what if he's found someone to like move in with, one of the women that he talks to.
وهو جدك كان قادر يمشي 20 خطوة على بعض يا كابو.
هو جده كان قادر يمشي 20 خطوة على بعض يا كابتن. هو جده your granddad كان قادر, was he, كان قادر, able to, يمشي, to walk 20 خطوة, 20 steps على بعض, together. So was your Henedy is saying, oh, maybe he's found someone to run away with or move in with. And then Salat is saying, could your granddad even walk 20 steps together without, falling over or whatever.
طب انت سألت عليه عند عابدين؟
طب انت سألت عليه عند عابدين. طب then انت, you سألت, did you ask عليه? عليه means عليه with the ha at the end, about him. عند عابدين. And means so many different things. Abdeen basically is another one of their friends. And in this particular context means in somebody's company. So and Abdeen means, it could mean at Abdeen's place. So have you asked about him? Have you asked Abdeen about him? Have you asked Abdeen if he's there?
وهو جده بيطيقه أصلا مستحيل يكون هناك.
وهو جده بيضيقه أصلا. وهو جده وهو, when it starts like this, it's usually a question. جدو, your granddad, بيضيقوا أصلا, could your granddad even stand him? Like, did they like each other? Were they even friends? مستحيل يكون هناك. مستحيل means it must be, that يكون, to be, هناك, there. So he must, مستحيل يكون هناك, he must be there.
طب يلا نروح نتأكد بنفسنا.
طب يلا نروح تتأكد بنفسنا. يلا نروح, let's go, تتأكد, to make sure, بنفسنا, with or by ourselves.
شوف آخر حاجة كتبها.
شوف آخر حاجة كتبها is what Abdeen says. شوف means to look. آخر, the last, حاجة, thing, كتبها, that he wrote.
صح. ممكن يكون كتب لنا رسالة إنه هينتحر ولا حاجة.
صح means correct. ممكن, maybe, يكون كتب لنا, maybe it was that he wrote رسالة, a letter, إن هو, whereby he is telling us هينتحر, that means to commit suicide, so a suicide letter, ولا حاجة, or something like that.
ينتحر ايه يا جاموس البحر انت؟ هات لما نشوف. يا دي الفضايح.
ينتحر ايه يا جاموس البحر انت؟ He goes, ينتحر ايه? What are you on about? What do you mean suicide? Which intihir? Which suicide? Ya Gamus al Bahr. I'm going to put a picture on the screen of what Gamus al Bahr is. And then he says, Het Henshuf. Het. I don't know. I watched a series. It was The Land of Hypocrisy, which I'm also translating. One of the characters, Het. He says, give it to me. Het, like that. Het means give it to me. Henshuf. We will see. يا دي الفضايح. What is this embarrassment? فضايح, embarrassment.
ها لقيته كاتب حاجة.
لقيته كاتب حاجة. لقيته did you find كاتب حاجة. Did you find him to write something? كاتب, to write حاجة, something.
آخر حاجة كاتبها من 5 ساعات. كاتب مصر شالت فوق طاقتها ريهام سعيد.
آخر حاجة كاتبها من 5 ساعات. آخر حاجة. آخر means last. حاجة means thing. كتبها that he wrote. من from, which it was from 5 ساعات, 5 hours. كاتب, he wrote, and this is what he wrote.
هاي حلوة جدو.
حلوة جدو. حلوة means beautiful. And then Abdin is kind of muffled what he's saying. He was about to say something, but then he was cut off. So he says,
قلاش جدك ده على فكرة
جدك ده, your granddad, that person, your granddad. جدك, جد means granddad. Your with the kaf at the end. على فكرة, by the way, it means.
بطلوا بقى.
It says بطل بقى. بطل means stop. بطل, quit it. بقى, or this word.
في رسالة جت فوق يا عمو.
رسالة جات فوق يا عم. رسالة, a letter, get, came for, up, يا عم. So up as in where the notification bar is at the top. So he's saying that there's a message arrived. Not a letter, a message. Sorry, this is Facebook. It's a message and not a letter.
انقذني يا هنيدي.
انقذني يا هنادي. انقذني means save me. Save me يا هنادي.
انت فين يا جدو؟
انت فين يا جدو. انت فين. Where are you يا جدو. Granddad.
انا اتحبست جوه الفيسبوك.
أنا اتحبست جوه الفيسبوك. What a thing to say to someone. I اتحبست, have been jailed, جوه الفيسبوك. جوه الفيسبوok, inside Facebook. And until the next time, I need to go and eat. So I'm saying anything now. Until the next time, سلام.